Hello guys. Let's solve this problem. Let me teach you how to solve problems like this. Okay. We are given the question says find the remainder when f of x, the whole of this, is divided by this. This is just basic maths. Go back to primary school. Okay. We know we used to divide. They'll tell you divide 7 by 2, something like this, and you have something like this. Okay, you say this into this is 3 times, okay, something like that, right? Then 3 times that becomes like 6. Is that also? That's how we used to do it. So you put this one, say this into this, say 3 times this becomes 6. Then you have remainder 1. This into this you cannot. You put point at 0, this into this, something like that. 5 times this becomes 10. Then, so that's the same thing we are going to apply here, basically. Okay? So now, we have f of x all divided by x plus 1. What will be the remainder? So we have the answer and what will be the remainder. So let's form a long division here. Okay? So we put this one inside the f of x, which is 2x cubed minus 4x squared plus x minus 7. Then we'll put outside here the x plus 1. Now, we say x into 2x cubed. We always look at the first one. Forget about all these other terms. Consider this one. This into this becomes 2x squared. Okay? You have 2x cubed divided by x. This x cancels just one x here. So what remains is 2x squared. Now, once you have this, you multiply this now by this. Okay, again. So this becomes 2x cubed again, right? If you multiply this by this, then this time this becomes plus. This time this becomes 2x squared. Okay? Now you don't have other terms here. So for this one, just put 0 and put 0 here. Then you close this bracket, open and close. Then you put minus here. And you divide. And you subtract, rather. Add or subtract, whatever it is. Okay? Now this is plus, and this is now this minus is affecting all of these terms. So this is like 2x minus 2x cubed. 2x cubed minus 2x cubed becomes 0. So you just put this point. Now this is 4x squared minus, because this is plus. Plus times minus is minus. So 4x squared minus 2x squared becomes minus 6x squared. And that's something you should know. 4x squared minus 2x squared. So this and this are the same. So you just say minus 6x squared. Okay, so that's easy. Now the next thing you have to do, you see this one, this is minus. So this becomes minus 0. X minus 0, you just put the plus x again. And this again, you bring this one minus 7 here. Okay, now the next thing you have to do is to determine how many times this x can go into the first term always. So this into this becomes minus 6x, right? Because you just cancel 1x. Now you multiply now this by this. Again, this becomes minus 6x squared. Okay? Now this term becomes again minus 6x here. Now because you don't have other terms, just put 0 here. You open bracket, close it, then you put the minus outside. You subtract. Okay? Or add. Now this is minus 6x squared. Minus x minus is plus. So minus 6x squared plus 6x squared becomes 0 here. Okay? Now this is plus x. Minus x minus is plus. So x plus 6x becomes 7x here. Positive. Okay? This is minus 7. And this is minus 0. So this becomes minus 7 here. Okay? Now, the next thing you check again. This x into 7x, always the first term, becomes what? So that becomes plus 7. Right? Easy. Becomes plus 7. Now you check. 7 multiplied by this becomes 7x. Plus times this becomes plus 7 here. So this again, you put minus. Okay? Now once you have that, you subtract. This is plus 7 minus 7 becomes 0. This is minus 7, right? This is minus times plus is minus. So minus 7 minus 7 becomes minus 14. It's so easy. Now you see, when you divide this by this, you have this as the answer, and your remainder is minus 14. So how do you write this one? Okay, so when you have 2x cubed minus 4x squared plus x minus 7, you divide it by x plus 1, your answer becomes 2x squared minus 6x plus 7, right? Then you have your remainder, which is the 14. Remainder minus 14. Okay? But you don't have to write it this way, so just forget about this one. Hence, your remainder is minus 14. Okay? It's so easy. Okay. I like to test you guys. So let's see what happens here. No. Anyways, be sure to share this, like, and comment. Okay? Thank you for watching. See you again in my next video.